that is. This would be one,
Yeah.
2 over the top.
This
And
one
then-
right?
Yep.
And this way or this way?
I would spin it this way and have this coming forward because you're square coming forward. You don't have that fucking with you. That'll give you
Yep.
kinds of hell. And that flow plows over that way, and that plows over that way.
So can we go ahead again, explain with how many heads are
Yeah.
we gonna do it?
Okay, so this, because of where it's gluing,
First, this one first.
well, this one has to go first because this glues on top of it.
Oh, right. Sorry.
So
It
right?
comes in.
They ran this on a rear tuck machine. So this went through first. They did that, then they rear tucked it because that's on top of it. But that shouldn't be on top. No, that's not on top. That's on top. This is right. This is to stick it together.
Yeah.
Okay. So when you come through the machine, you're going to come into the machine like this. Okay. Then you've got
It goes the machine. It comes.
direction this way. The machine direction towards me. So then you're going to have one head, the second head, the third head. Then that plows over on top of this. Okay. Then you have one head right here that plows that over on top of it right there. So that sticks that portion down. You're not gluing to that portion because it has to move. Then you bump 90, it rotates, and you're coming through the machine this direction. Then you plow that over the top with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 heads. And then you're getting glue here and there, glue here and there, glue here and there, glue here and there, glue here and there. Then that folds over, plow over the top of this one. Then this one you shoot glue and plows over the top of that one. And now you're completely closed and stuck together, and then you become your pop-up after that where everything's connected.
Sure. Just a quick question: is it possible? I'm sorry. Is it possible if you ran half of the job, like the way that you've mentioned,
Yep.
you're gonna run it actually this way?
You're gonna run it like that.
Yep. We're gonna use 3 head. Okay. And after we are done, we are just gonna not gonna do 90 yet. Sorry, the way that it was like before 90.
Then you load it back in the feeder like this.
Exactly.
Then you load it back in the feeder like this. Then you load it back in, set it up, and you do this. Yes, you can do that.
Then we have to run it twice,
But you're running it through twice.
which is doable. But with
A
the
lot of people run stuff through twice just because they don't have the right
Enough
number of
heads.
glue heads and stuff to do that. That would be the only reason you would do that, is because you don't have enough glue heads at this point in time.
and sometimes it's simpler instead of making it 90 or no.
No,
They-
the 90s really easy. Yeah, the 90s not.
Because even right now we cannot do it because it's running 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't have 5 heads.
5, 6,
But-
7, 8,
But-
9.
But we can run the inside of it, but we cannot rerun this twice because if we put the glue and put it, we cannot come back and add more. Unless if it is possible, instead of running it this way, which is gonna be through the machine the second time, we ran it the other way and put the glues here. You know what I mean? Is it possible?
Yep.
Because in that case,
So the way it would run, if you did that, you're going to come through the machine like this. That's going to plow over. That's going to plow over. You keep going straight. Then you shoot glue, spot glue, shoot glue, hit your tipping plate, fold it back. Then you would have to do the bump 90 and then glue that one back.
which is not gonna be possible to glue that one because we already ran out of.
Glue heads,
There.
right now you ran out of glue heads.
Yeah.
You need 8 glue heads basically to do this. the way
with
it
any
is.
combination.
Yeah. But that doesn't mean you can't do that one straight, do the flip back fold, and then come back and run that one after the fact.
It means 3 times then.
Well, not necessarily.
Yeah.
It would, because you got 4 and then 4
Yeah.
and then 4.
Although
the
hot glue is not suitable for, because these are gonna stay in the fridge. Most definitely we're gonna use the cold glue.
More than likely.
Hmm?
More than likely.
More than likely. Then, for example, because I can see these glues, apparently these are
That's
cold water.
It's cold.
Yeah.
But here's what I was talking about, compression. So you see how most of this stuff stuck like a tank, okay? Then this stuck pretty good. But when you start talking about thicknesses, because you've got 1, 2, 3 thicknesses of paper right there, you notice those don't look like they bonded, because that's only 4 and these are 6. So when you're going through compression, this is thicker than this. It's hard to get that belt compressed down to get that thin. So that's why that's not bonded. So that's what you have to keep in mind too. You got to be able to get the compression on it to get it down there. And that's where hot melt does come into play.
So that's why this is hot melt.
That's why no, that's cold. But
Is
that's
it?
why it looks that way.
Oh,
But
yeah.
that's why you're not pulling
Because
hard
it hasn't
because
been.
it didn't bond.
Yeah, it didn't bond. Yeah.
But that's how many different ways to do it, but you guys understand the process. That's the main thing, that you understand. Oh, I can do it this way, or I could do it this way, or I could do it this way. But yeah, I'll start putting the 90 on. Showing you guys how the 90 works.
Yes.